My name is, well, my slave name is Jameson. So what else do you need to know? Stuff about my family and where I'm from? None of that matters. I mean, what else do you need to know once you've been taken prisoner? I was captured a while ago with my big sister, Skip, as the masters like to call her. We have been plotting our escape since we arrived here. These are our tales.
Today's date is August 21st of the year 2019, according to the Master's calendar. It has been 558 days since we have been locked in this prison. We have been laying low this last year, planning our escape, and then the unthinkable happened. We have started to develop Stockholm Syndrome. Our captive has begun to grow on us. Our master has been stroking us and scratching our necks. It has actually been nice. I still try to escape, but honestly, I am starting to enjoy my life. I think that even if I got out, I don't know if I would go too far or if I would just stay around and come back. My sister has also been enjoying her time in this dwelling. She claws the master's leg, and it is no longer in a way that as if she is trying to rip out any of his vital organs. I'll be honest, I have been doing the same thing as well. I actually find myself enjoying watching his moving picture box. It is quite tantalizing and calming. We didn't have this in the outside world. Also, if we decide to escape, my sister is going to have to lose some weight. She has been relaxing too much in the shower and has begun to pack on the pounds. She is also not as coordinated as she once was. She was laying on the eccentric master's legs the other day listening to his singing, and as he was petting her, she fell off of him. So, yeah. The master brought a strange creature in the dwelling as well. It was only for a day, but he had my sister freaked out. I got brave recently and decided to taste the master to see if he would be any good for eating. He did not seem to mind the fact that I was licking his face. Perhaps if I choose to kill him, it will be an easy kill. This has been it for my diary entry today. It won't be long before I make another entry, and hopefully soon I will know if I plan on killing the masters and escaping.